Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create Wise account on your PC step by step. Let's get started. Start by opening your browser and going to remitly.com. Click on the register button in the top right corner. Enter your email address or sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple, whichever you prefer. Next, you'll receive a verification code by email. Open your inbox, copy the code, and enter it on the site to confirm your account. Once verified, choose your account type. Select personal if you're sending money for yourself, or business if it's for company-related transfers. Then, choose your country of residence from the list. Enter your mobile phone number and continue. At this point, Remitly will ask you to install the mobile app to complete the rest of your registration and to start using your account. And that's it. You've just created your Remitly account on PC and you're ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.